Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations, 30 Days of Christmas Ornaments. Well, here's one I thought I'd try. I got these little buckets at Dollar Tree. They're just a little tin bucket. You can shape them if you want because they kind of bend around. But anyway, I thought I'd try to make them into a Christmas ornament. So I'm taking out the strings. And I thought I'd rough it up because it probably would take the paint a little bit better. At first I painted it, and then I really didn't need to have painted it. But I thought I'd make them into bells. But I already made some bells. And then I thought, oh, I could put like an empty container from a ribbon. I could put that in one and stack them on each other and make a tree. But then I was thinking, oh, if I had a tree-shaped styrofoam, I could use that for the top, but I didn't have any. So I was thinking you could make a lot of things with these. So use your imagination and see what you could make. I think they'd make really cute bells, though. But then all of a sudden I changed my mind. And I still thought I'd throw it in there with me painting it. Because I know how much you like to watch me paint. Anyway, I found this paper. I only got one piece. I wish I would have got more. Found this paper at Hobby Lobby, and it's birch trees, and I just thought it was so pretty. I thought this would be really pretty on one of the cans to make a planter. So it goes on, yeah, kind of weird, but it's okay because it's birch trees and it looks great. So I put a little bit on the paper, put a little bit on the can. Oh, and I put a little hot glue to start it so it would stay in place. And I tried to take it just a little bit at a time and smooth it down with my thumbs as I went. But you'll see every time I laid it down, it'd shift. See, here I lay it down, and what does it do? It shifts. Lift it up, try it again. Now I did get wrinkles in it, but I decided, hey, trees are kind of wrinkly and textured, so it didn't matter. And they were vertical wrinkles anyway, they weren't horizontal. Mostly up by the top of it. It just kind of laps over. If it was a straight vase, it would have taken better, but since it had a little curve on it. My sister says she's gonna teach me how to do things like this, but she hasn't taught me yet, so we'll do it the best of our ability. But I think it looks okay. Okay, so I had these stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really pretty with the deer sticker. So, I mean, they're sticky on the back, but not enough to hold it on really well. So I put some hot glue on half of it, and then I just lifted up to add hot glue to the other half. And I did one can beforehand to see how it'd work out, and it worked out pretty good. And I put some different snowflake stickers on that one. They were more a window cling. But I thought this was really pretty with the white and the blue on the birch paper. Okay, putting some foam in there. And a Dollar Tree pick. Just fluffing it, because you know how much I like to fluff. Now I've got some white poinsettias. Now, how do you say it? Poinsettia or poinsettia? I always said it poinsettia, and then someone corrected me and said it was poinsettias. So let me know. Oh, and that kind of bluish purple one I put in there, that was, oh shoot, brain fart. I put some in my autumn, and people were like, blue purple in an autumn arrangement, and then they were amazed at how beautiful it looked. But since it had a little bit of blue in it, I thought it'd look really pretty in this arrangement. And this is a kind of small arrangement where you could stick it anywhere. You could stick it in the bathroom, in your bedroom, in just a little out of the way place. So here it is, all done. And there's the second one with it. I think it came out really pretty. I'm very pleased with it. Could be a little gift for a teacher, a neighbor. It costs maybe $3 to make it. Okay, as I say once every time, I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are new to my channel, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, and then hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Okay, bye for now. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.